Chapter 6 Coding Decoding. Coding is used to encrypt words, numbers in specific pattern or codes using particular rules. Decoding is the process that is used to de-encrypt the patterns into original forms of the given forms. Take the right choice. 1. Some alphabets are coded in a certain code as given below. Letters and code: A as @ N as a hashtag, G as $, M as plus, O as question mark, and S as %. What will be the code for mango? That means we have to code mango with the codes given below, with the codes given above. For M, M stands for plus, A stands for @, N stands for hash, G stands for $, and O stands for question mark. So this same order is present at A. 2. Some alphabets are coded in certain codes as given below. Letters code: L as $, E as hashtag, P as @, I as %, C as question mark, and N as and. What will be the code for pencil? So for pencil, P stands for @, E stands for hash, N stands for and, C stands for question mark, I stands for %, and L stands for $. And the same code is present at B. 3. Some alphabets are coded in certain code as given below. Letters code: T as @, H as $, M as %, E as question mark, O as star, and R as hashtag. What will be the code for mother? So for mother, here M stands for %, O stands for star, T stands for @, H stands for $, E stands for question mark, and R stands for hashtag. And the same one is present at A. 4. If the 98635 is 76413, then what is the code of 34867? So here we are given two numbers, that means that are 98635 is coded as 76413. This means 9 is 7, 8 is 6, 6 is 4, 3 is 1, and 5 is 3. Now we are asked for 34867. So here 3 stands for 1, 4 is not present, 8 stands for 6, 6 stands for 4, and 7 is also not present. So we have to find a number that has 1, 6 and 4, and that number is C, that is 12645. So 34867 will be coded as 12645. 5. If apple is called butter, butter is called soup, soup is called ink, ink is called honey, which of the following is used for washing clothes? So first we have to answer what is used for washing clothes. And the thing that is used for washing clothes is soap. And soap here called is ink. So our answer will be ink. 6. In a certain code, hot is 702. Rabbit is 681192. What is the code of habit? So here we are given hot as 702 and rabbit as 681192. Now we are asked for habit. So here H stands for 7, A is 8, B is 1, I is 9 and T is 2. So our answer is 78192. Okay, 7. In a certain code language, if shark is written as RGZQJ, then how will whale be written in the same language? So here shark is written as now we are asked for whale. So here if we look at the pattern of the code, we can simply say the letters present in the word shark. We can simply say the code letters are the previous letters of the letters present in the word shark. So for whale, the code will be letter before W is V, before H is G, before A is Z, before L is K, before E is D. So here the code will be V, G, Z, K, D. 8. In a certain code language, if rose is written as SPTF, then how will word be written in the same language? So here we are given rose as SPTF. This means in the code language, the letters are the next coming letters of the word rose. So for world, letter after W is X, after O is P, after R S, after L M, and after D is E. So our answer will be XPSME. 9. In a certain code language, if red is called green, green is called blue, blue is called yellow, and yellow is called white, then what is the color of grass? So the color of grass is green. And green here is called blue. So our answer is blue. 10. In a certain code language, if school is called house, house is called bag, bag is called pencil, and pencil is called pen, then we can put our books in. So in which thing we put our things? That is a bag. And a bag is called a pencil here. So our answer is pencil. 11. Some alphabets are coded in a certain code as given below. Letters code: A as @ E as $, F as star, M as question mark, and R as hashtag. What will be the code for farmer? So here F stands for star, A stands for @, R stands for hashtag, M stands for question mark, E stands for $, and R again stands for hashtag. So the code will be star, @ hash, question mark, $, hash. Okay. 12. If school is coded as 726550 and use is coded as 173, then how will house be coded in the same language? So here we are given school is coded as 726550 and use is coded as 173. So we have to find the code for the word house. Here H is 6, O is 5, U is 1, S is 7, and E is 3. So the code will be 65173. 13. If drink is equals to 6, pollution equals to 10, how is government be coded in that language? So here we are given drink has 5 letters and is equals to 6. Pollution has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 letters and equals to 10. So the government has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Government has 10 letters, so the answer will be 11. As the code is present is the addition of 1 to the number of letters present in that word. 14. In a certain code, 3, 4, 5, 6 is coded as rope. 15526 is coded as apple. How is 54613 coded in that language? So here we are given that 3, 4, 5, 6 is coded as rope, and 1, 5, 5, 2, 6 is coded as apple. Now we have to find the code of 54613. Okay, so here 5 stands for P, 4 stands for O, 6 stands for E, 1 stands for A, and 3 stands for R. So the code will be POEAR. 15. If zebra can be written as 2652181, how can cobra be written in that language? So here we are given that zebra is written as 2652181. Here if we look at that, Z comes at 26th place, E at 5, B at 2, R at 18 and A at 1. So for cobra, C comes at 3, O comes at 15, B at 2, R at 18 and A at 1. So our answer will be 315281. Okay. 16. In a certain code language, create is written as APCCVG. How will domain be written in the same language? So here we are given that create is written as APCCVG. So the relation of C and A is of difference of one letter. Similarly, P and R has the difference of one letter, that is Q. E and C has a difference of one letter, that is D. And similarly, A and C have difference of one letter, that is B. T and V have U and E and G have F. But here, the first 3 letters have used previous letter, but last 3 used next letter. Okay, so now we have to write the answer for domain. The letter before D is C and B. Before O is N and M. Before M is L, so K will come. A, so the letter after A will be C. I, the letter after I will be K. And N, the letter after N will be P. So our answer will be B, M, K, C, K, P. 17. In a certain code language, cotton is written as DNUSPM. How will flower be written in the same language? So here, cotton is coded as DNUSPM. That means for the first one, we are using next. Second one we are using previous. For the third one we are using next. Fourth one we are using previous. Similarly, fifth one is using next and sixth one is using previous. That means odd numbers are using next and even number using previous. Okay, so now we have to find for the word flower. Here okay, 1 is F, so we will use the next, that is G. Then 2 is L, so we will use the previous one, that is K. O, we will use the next one, P. W, we will use the previous one, V. E, we will use the next one, F, and for R we will use the previous one, Q. So here the answer will be G, K, P, V, F, Q. 18. In a certain code language, safest is written as $, %, and. Forest is written as $, $, %, and. How will be softer be coded in the same language? So here safest is written as $, $, %, and forest is written as $, %, and. Now we have to find the code of the word softer. So here S stands for $, O stands for $, F stands for $, T stands for and, E stands for %, and R stands for star. So the answer will be $, $, and %. 19. In a certain code, refrigerator is coded as ROTAREGIRFER. Which word would be coded as NOITINUMMA? So here the word refrigerator is coded as ROTAREGIRFER. Okay, now we are asked for the word NOITINUMMA. So if we look at the word refrigerator and the coded word is, they are just in reverse order. So if we will reverse this will become AMMUNITION. That is ammunition, and the answer will be AMMUNITION. 20. In a certain code, broken is written as ORBNEK. Then how will pencil be written in the same language? So here broken is written as ORBNEK. That means here first and third words are switched, then fourth and sixth words are switched. Now we are asked for pencil. Here we will switch first and the third letter, so it will become N NEP. On switching fourth and sixth letters, it will become LIC. So the answer will be NEP LIC. Okay.